I'm getting nowhere buying traffic.
I was stuck too a few years ago. Where are you buying your traffic?
I've tried banner ads, traffic exchanges, and safe lists.
That's a good way to get clicks. But clicks alone won't grow your business.
So what should I do? Try social media?
That's unpredictable and takes a lot of time. I use email traffic.
But I'm already using safe lists.
That's not high-quality email traffic. You need to work with a professional email solo ad provider.
Can you show me what to do?
Yeah, sure. But first, you need to create your own capture page that links to an autoresponder.
That sounds complicated.
Actually, it's not. You can do it easily and for free with a program called LeadsLeap.
What do I put on my capture page?
A simple message that creates curiosity. You don't need to go into detail.
Any suggestions?
How about, from dream to reality, your path to financial freedom starts here.
Anything else?
Include a line that encourages the viewer to sign up for free information.
What next?
In your autoresponder, compose a welcome message and a short email series with a link to your opportunity.
I'm not so hot when it comes to writing emails.
I'll show you where to get 500 emails that you can edit, copy, and paste.
Now where do I get my traffic?
I have a great source of email solo ads and the 500 pre-written emails I told you about.
Okay, but why email solo ads?
The opt-in rates are very high compared to other forms of traffic, but you have to know who you're dealing with.
What about buying signups?
Don't. There are bot programs that can create fake email accounts. I've caught dishonest vendors using them.
Where do I go to buy good email solo ads?
I use Wholesale premium traffic. You can get email swipes there too.
Why them?
Good quality, fair price, real human opt-ins. No bots.
Can't I just send traffic to my opportunity page?
Not if you want to make real money. I'll tell you why.
Okay, tell me why.
You need your prospect on your own email list. That allows for personal follow-up.
So?
Few people buy in cold on one exposure. You need to warm them up. They need to trust you.
I see.
That's why you need to build your own list first. Your list is an asset that you own.
That makes sense.
You can also offer your list related products and services. That's more money for you.
So where do I buy that traffic again?
Wholesale premium traffic, I'll send you the link.